Hey Virgo, welcome to my channel. We're going to use two decks here, the Light Seers deck and the Lamucci Baroque deck. With this, we're going to see what's going on in your energy. And over here, we're going to paint a picture to see what's going on. All right. See if we can pull some advice at the end. Let's get a card for Virgo. See what we're dealing with. All right. The Two of Cups. Let me get a stand real quick. All right, here we go. We have the Two of Cups. Well, that's good energy. Could be dealing with the soulmate. You have a strong connection. Both you guys resonate with each other. Good vibes here. All right, so let's see what the light seer says. All right, so it says romantic partners, soulmates, friendships, connected hearts, passion, kindred spirits, joyful connection and cooperation, union, sometimes marriage, duality, love consciousness. Okay, so when it says, when you share your joy with those around you, you will attract deep and meaningful ties with others. This card whispers of romance and love, bliss and attraction, and the unity of the like hearted. Sometimes it signifies the beginning of a new friendship or business partnership, while at other times it marks a profound romantic union. This perfect pairing of matched souls has the potential to develop into the magical and an intoxicating entanglement of two flames, or the merging of paths that will be forever united or changed as a result. If you are single, look for the arrival of a profoundly passionate and devoted lover. Are you putting enough energy into your relationships? Question mark. Okay. How you see yourself as one half of a committed pair will deepen and shift as the effervescent magic of the Two of Cups bubbles into your life. This sacred reflection will intermingle spirit, emotion, love, harmony, and balance. Sounds very exciting. Okay, let's take a look and at the picture here. So, right, we have the Hierophant here. Okay, so we could be looking at marriage commitments here, contracts being signed, nice framework for a commitment. Okay, it looks like a pure connection here. That card in the Hierophant, that's good looking. Looks very successful here. I mean, it's coming in. It's looking good. Looks like people are happy about it. What's we got here? We have the Page of Swords. Somebody's looking into getting married to somebody or in a long-term commitment. All right. Somebody, pretty dang good about this. Somebody's taking the time to go look up some info about it. All right. What else we got here? Oh, the High Priestess and the oh baby, the High Priestess checking out the Hierophant. You guys are a divine couple here. Holy moly! Well, the High Priestess and the Hierophant, Page of Swords in here. So somebody's checking somebody out. This is really cool. You guys are not only like a physical partnership, but this is a spiritual partnership. Like your vibrations are in tune with one another. Absolutely gorgeous. Hmm. Um, somebody here could be traditional, and somebody could be indigenous. Mm. Saying not everybody, but there's definitely you guys are very spiritual. No doubt about it. What else we got here? Okay, let's go, Virgo. So there's a possibility here that two people could be coming back from the past here. Somebody wants to come out of the cold. Um, hmm, two people are probably coming back to some kind of possibly a religion. Okay, there's a little bit of money involved here. Hmm. Maybe somebody can't afford to get married at this point, but you guys know it's you guys are the ones here. All right, so let's paint another picture here. Get a little more details. All right, the magician. We got the star card here as well. Bottom of the deck. The star card and the lovers. Somebody's coming out of hermit mode here. For Virgo, it's you. We got Gemini here. Virgo, Gemini, Aquarius. This is Aries, Taurus, and Pisces. All right. So this could be a manifestation coming in here. You might not even have this person yet, but it looks like it's not far out. You might have two options here. You could go. This could also be about going like maybe a Catholic, or uh, and this could be a different route here. Maybe somebody's learning how to uh, somebody's learning how to make the transition into another religion or belief system. Two people could have went and got rejected out of a church. Okay, two people could went to church to talk to a priest for counseling. Um, I want to know more about the magician. Okay, so the magician be making some long-term investments here, planting good seeds, reflecting on this new journey a lot. Um, let's see here. Somebody probably had to dig up the money to do this. Maybe there wasn't enough money here. Okay, just not enough to go in to this. But somebody probably cashed out some investments. All right, and somebody's coming with some good news here. Maybe. Somebody could have options here and making a hard choice. Maybe two people got rejected here. Be sitting by yourself right now and guarding your cups. See, you're waiting on you have these 9 cups, you're waiting on this 1 cup. Could be somebody younger. Okay. Out of nowhere they're coming in with an offer. Hmm. but it looks like they match your frequency here. I don't know. You let me know what's up. I want to know. Okay, somebody here's a bit of a perfectionist. Like, all right, somebody could be a perfectionist here, is grounded with their money. Maybe they're not so emotional. Okay, I say perfectionists. They got all their tools they need, and they're checking out somebody that is also a skillful worker. So we don't have nobody flashing money here. I guess that's a good sign. You both are somebody older and younger here. Okay, you both. It looks like you both have an income of some sort. One's a perfectionist, and one is a hard worker here. One's strong, one's very grounded. Um, I think this might the only thing this person does is work. They're really good at it, what they do. That's for sure. This could just be one person here. Um, you're an older soul. You're the Virgo. That could be it. You're still younger, looking to grow old with somebody here. All right. Okay, let's see if we can pull one more card from Lightseer's deck here. Try to get some advice for you. What we got for Virgo? Virgo, it's advice time. Very cool read. All right, Virgo. Woo! Are you turning this down? All right, so we got the Four of Cups here. Maybe you've been waiting for this to come in, but this is the Ace of Cups. This, like I said, coming in. Look, this little hand right here, holding out this cup here. Once again, like we were talking about, you just don't see it. We had the Four Cups earlier. Okay, so maybe you just don't want it though. I had to say you just might like being alone. All right, but the first card here is was this connection, this Two of Cups in the first place. So I think something really great's going to happen. So let's see what the light sayer says about these two here. Give you some more detailed advice. All right. So Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. You had the Hierophant. You had the the High Priestess together. Dang, I haven't seen that in a. It's been a long time. So the Four of Cups. It says for Lightseer, missing opportunities for abundance, time to meditate, frustration and boredom, being a brat, not appreciating what you have, apathy, introspection, stability leading to boredom. Okay, that could happen. Somebody could be so rich right now they're bored. All right, if you are finding yourself bored, unsatisfied, or frustrated with your current situation, know that you are likely missing the vibrant landscapes that are present just beyond your peripheral vision. Often we become so confused on our own internal perspectives that our feelings about a situation can prevent us from noticing the arrival of extraordinary opportunities and remarkable things. If you remain open to shifting ever so slightly in order to see your situation in a fantastic new light, you will learn that the present moment is filled with the most dynamic magic. Instead of focusing on what you don't have right now, focus on what you do. Even better, spend energy focusing on your thoughts on the experiences that you will create in the future. Taking time to meditate and slow your mind will show you that life is better than it seems. It's up to you to shift into abundance availability to you into the abundance available to you right now. All right, and then the words here, encouragement is I see the fullness of richness of my life. Okay, so we have the Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups here was, like I said, it's either coming in or you don't want it. So, hey, some people like just being alone, but you just might be waiting for that cup. Nothing else really is that interesting. Okay, that's another thing to look at. Okay, so our Ace of Cups here in reverse, a time to nurture more self-love, making sure you aren't repressed, repressing your emotions, opening up to the possibility of love. So, could be open to this. All right, and let's see here. Let's read what the Light Seer says. An extremely positive message of vibrant beings. The Ace of Cups marks the genesis of relationships. Voila. And deep feelings of love and friendship. Your emotions are powerful magic. Cultivate your ability to call on expansive, optimistic, and profoundly radiant feelings and consciously send your heart waves out into the world. They will become powerful beacons for your awakening new adventures, romance, and an effusive joy that you are calling into your life. Your capacity for love is expanding. So check in and make sure you aren't repressing your ability to connect with others as a result being overly protective. Mindfully extend the love you feel to your own heart as well. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and find a fountain head for healing with copious amounts of self acceptance. Get ready to expand. Exciting affinities are emerging, and it is time to open up and give yourself permission to deepen your kinship with your life around you. And it says, my heart is opened and filled with love. Well, congratulations on all this, Virgo. Um, Thanks for stopping by. If you liked what you heard, subscribe or just hit the like button if you don't want to subscribe. Either way, I appreciate you stopping by, and we'll talk to you soon. Good luck.